Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform of Manzil. So today I have come up with some of the important vocabulary words. The first word of today is remission. The meaning of remission is the cancellation of a debt, charge or penalty, and in Hindi the meaning of this word is maafi. Next word is assassination, which is a noun. The meaning of assassination is murder of a public figure by surprise attack, and in Hindi its meaning is hatya. And the next word is clemency, which is a noun. The meaning of clemency is the act of forgiving or the state of being forgiven, which means rajya shama. The next word is tenable, which is an adjective which means able to be maintained or defended against attack or objection, and in Hindi its meaning is tark sangat. The next word is ramifications, which is a noun. The meaning of this word is a complex or unwelcome consequence of an action or event, which means prabhav. And the next word is incarceration, which is a noun. The meaning of incarceration is the state of being kept in confinement, which means kaid. Next word is humanitarian, which is an adjective which means concerned with or seeking to promote human welfare, which means manavtavadi. And the next word is hackles, which is a noun. The meaning of hackles is a feeling of anger or animosity. And the next word is left no stone unturned, which is a phrase. The meaning of this phrase is try every possible course of action in order to achieve something. Next word is whopping, which is an adjective which means unusually large in size, extent or degree. And the next word is constellation, which is also a noun, and the meaning of this word is a group of associated or similar people or things. Next word is triumphed, which is a verb which means to win a great victory or to have a great success. The next word is burnish, which is a verb which means to improve or make more impressive. Next word is ruffle a new feathers. It is a phrase, and the meaning of this phrase is to make someone feel worried or annoyed. Next word is disengagement, which means the action or process of withdrawing from involvement in an activity, situation or group. The next word is moratorium, which means a moratorium is a delay or suspension of an activity or a law. Next word is armed, which means a steel-plated, bulletproof, bomb-proof thing. Next word is patrolled, which means keep watch over an area by regularly walking or traveling around it. And the next word is artillery, which means a military detachment or branch of the armed forces that uses large caliber guns. And the next word is hard nut to crack, which is a phrase. The meaning of this phrase is a difficult problem. Next one is standoff, which is a noun which means a situation in which agreement in an argument doesn't seem possible. Next is predates, which means exist or occur at a date earlier than something. Next is condemnation, which is a noun which means the expression of very strong disapproval, censure, or in Hindi its meaning is tiraskar. Next word is ostensibly, which means prakat roop se, that means apparently. And the next word is laundered, which is an adjective which means obtained illegally and processed secretly, typically by transfers involving foreign banks or legitimate businesses. This word is used in context of money. Next word is brush aside, which is a phrasal verb which means to treat something as not important or to ignore or dismiss. Next word is relentless, which is an adjective which means persistent and continuing. Next word is grievances, which is a noun which means complaint, criticism and objection. The next word is behoves, which is a verb. The meaning of this word is it is right for someone to do something. And the last word of today is dissenters, which means objector or protester. So hope so you have learned something new today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.